Welcome back to AI Foundation Learning. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified about our latest AI and machine learning tutorials. Today, we're continuing our series on generative AI terms, and our topic is prompt engineering. Let's dive in. So, what exactly is prompt engineering? In simple terms, prompt engineering is the process of designing and refining input prompts to guide the behavior of generative models, like GPT-3, GPT-4, and other advanced AI systems. Prompt engineering involves crafting specific phrases or instructions that you feed into a generative model to get the desired output. Think of it as giving the AI a clear set of directions to follow. The better the prompt, the more accurate and useful the generated response. Why is prompt engineering so important? Well, generative models can produce a wide range of outputs depending on the input they receive. By carefully designing prompts, you can 1. Improve accuracy. Ensure that the AI provides more accurate and relevant responses. 2. Enhance specificity. Get detailed and specific answers to complex queries. 3. Control tone and style. Tailor the language and style of the response to suit different contexts or audiences. Creating effective prompts involves a few key strategies. First, be specific. The more specific your prompt, the more focused the response. For example, instead of asking, "Tell me about AI," you could ask, "Explain the impact of AI on healthcare in the last decade." Second, use examples. Providing examples within your prompt can guide the AI to generate similar responses. For instance, list 3 benefits of AI, such as improved diagnostics, personalized treatment, and efficient data management. And third, iterate and refine. Don't be afraid to tweak and refine your prompts based on the responses you get. It's often a process of trial and error to find the optimal prompt. Prompt engineering has numerous applications across various fields. First, content creation. Writers and marketers use prompt engineering to generate creative content, blog posts, and social media updates. Second, customer support. Companies can design prompts to help AI systems provide accurate and helpful responses to customer queries. Third, education. Educators use prompt engineering to create interactive learning experiences and assist in teaching complex subjects. While prompt engineering is powerful, it also comes with challenges. Some common issues include, first, ambiguity. Vague prompts can lead to unclear or irrelevant responses. Second, bias. Prompts can inadvertently introduce bias, leading to skewed outputs. Third, complexity. Crafting effective prompts for complex topics can be challenging. To overcome these challenges, here are some best practices. First, test extensively. Always test your prompts with different variations to see what works best. Second, be clear and concise. Avoid unnecessary complexity in your prompts. Third, monitor outputs. Regularly review AI outputs to ensure they meet your expectations and adjust prompts as needed. To sum up, prompt engineering is a crucial skill for anyone working with generative AI models. By designing effective prompts, you can guide AI systems to produce accurate, relevant, and useful outputs. Whether you're involved in content creation, customer support, or education, mastering prompt engineering can significantly enhance your interactions with AI.